I was doing a video of my harvest. I'm doing it outside today, and I have 5 different types of tomatoes in here today because I have these tiny ones. Actually, this is one type, this is another, and then this, and this, and this. Wait, how many types do I have? 2, 3, 4. At least 6 types of tomatoes in here. It's not as big of a harvest as I had last week, but I found new tomatoes I didn't know I was growing. Like, I didn't know I was growing this. I didn't know I was growing these 2. I knew about these 3. I knew I was growing these 3. And those are completely different ones because they were all growing on this green stalk because I planted like a bunch of stuff in there. And I was only harvesting from one side mainly. It turns out there was stuff everywhere because there's a bunch of tomatoes on there, there's tomatoes on there, and then there's tomatoes right there, and then I have this tomato, and I didn't harvest anything off this tomato today, but it's still producing flowers, so I'll leave it there for a little bit longer until I get ready to clean out. So I have a wide variety of tomatoes, and I'm slowly cleaning out my garden, and I'm pruning my tomatoes because some of the leaves are turning yellow, and I don't want them to turn yellow, and for my tomato to not be around the rest of the season. I want it to last at least until I'm producing tomatoes on other tomatoes. Like, that tomato is cute and it's producing, but it's not producing enough to replace this tomato or that tomato. And that tomato produces, but not enough to replace these 2. And this one's not really producing anymore, but these are replacing those 2. Well, these 2 are replacing that one and the other one I had, so not too bad. I don't know, should I harvest this bok choy? Because I'm not gonna eat it. Oh, this is funny, like all these other bok choys are growing in there too. Yeah, and this little strawberry fell off and it was starting to ripen. I wish I could plant like a strawberry and it would grow strawberries, but I don't know, I've never done that. Well, I have planted strawberries to grow strawberries, but it's never really worked out. But this was a harvest video and it turned into something else, so if you like, watch and subscribe. And you can see all my aloe veras that have fallen apart and my winter mess that I need to clean up from the rain before it storms again, because yesterday I kept saying it was going to have a big storm and it didn't. And this yellow pear is growing in all different directions and growing everywhere, and it's just going crazy because I dwarfed it out to fit in the green stalk, but it's still growing because, like, look at the flowers and everything. So if you like, watch and subscribe. Haven't watered this in forever. When I walked out of my apartment, a spider was coming down. So that's my harvest. If you like, watch and subscribe. Bye.